welcome back. This is the wing that I've still got a bit to do there, and there's a few little imperfections there, but it's an undercoat at the moment, but there's a few little bits in it that I've still got to be finished off. But if you remember from last time, it was pretty manky, loads of holes everywhere. But yeah, I just wanted to get it together and undercoated. And hello, workshop cat's coming, say hello. Good boy. Yeah, so yeah, just got this little bit here to do, and obviously that's got to be changed out for a newer. I'm going to put a new LED one on it because the other one's broke, and they're getting pretty rare to find. So I might just take them off and just put some newer LED ones on, which are a bit better. I might even put one up here as well, around them, but we'll see. But yeah, so far so good. It's coming together. Yeah, alright, Chaz, careful. Yeah, well, short video, but I'll just show you what sort of progress is coming along on it. Thanks for watching.